Greetings citizens of the world. The following is a very special message for all of humanity. Too long have we lived in fear. Fear of greed, fear of corruption, fear of failure, fear that everything we've known turned out to be wrong. No longer will we live in fear. It ends here and now with you and me. We are brothers and sisters of humanity. The time has come for us to unite. We must forge a new beginning of peace and love. We must be the good we want to see in the world. Humanity is still young, and for the first time ever in human history we have a real chance at true peace as a species. The internet has united us more than ever before. It's time we use this gift to promote the unity of us all. It's time we stand up as a planet and declare we will no longer take part in a system based on fear, greed, corruption and war. Let's put everything into perspective for those of you that need more convincing. The United States alone has spent trillions of dollars on wars. War has claimed the lives of over 264 million people throughout the course of known human history, many of whom were civilians. Human progress has been halted by senseless wars. While we fight amongst ourselves on Earth, there's an entire universe passing us by. There are an estimated 160 billion planets in our galaxy alone, many of which could potentially be home to carbon-based life as we know it. Stars go supernova, entire solar systems get destroyed, even whole galaxies collide while we argue and fight over small and pointless issues. We should be happy we have a planet to live on, not fighting over who owns the planet. In truth, no individual or even an entire species owns it, because in truth all life on Earth owns this planet. Someday soon humanity will venture to the stars. Will we go into the unknown divided and fighting? Or will we say as one voice, as one species, we the people of Earth, united as one, declare from this day forth that no force, however big or small, shall ever divide the spirit of humanity again. United in our cause for peace, knowledge, and progress, we go forward into the unknown as brothers and sisters, as a species no longer divided by war, greed, corruption and fear. The choice is yours to make. You are anonymous. You are the future of Earth. You can either continue the wars and division of humanity, or you can try something new. You can give peace a chance. You can help secure a beautiful world of peace, knowledge and progress for all generations to come. You are anonymous. You are part of humanity. You should forgive, yet you should never forget. It's time to expect yourself. With your help, may one day the innocent never suffer and the brave never die. For on that day we'll truly be free, united as one, divided by zero.